Hello, this is Simon Hyatt. I'm the contributing editor of Insurance Asia magazine. We are here today in the Insurance Asia magazine headquarters in Singapore to celebrate the winners of the most prestigious awards in the insurance industry in the Asia Pacific region, the Insurance Asia Awards 2021. I am joined today by Puneet Pasricha, the Chief Executive Officer of Liberty Insurance Malaysia. Liberty has won the Claims Initiative of the Year award for Malaysia. Pasha, thank you so much for joining us today and congratulations on winning this award.
Hi, Simon. Hey, thanks for having me over. We're really excited to be recognized for our claims initiative, which is actually a testament for all the efforts put in by the team. And really also for our partner workshops who collaborated with Liberty Insurance to drive value for the customer. So thanks a lot.
You've developed a virtual appraisal tool integrating video, photo, digital technology, a first in Malaysia's insurance industry. What made you decide to focus on this area?
It's a great question. Actually providing value to the customer has always been what has driven Liberty to innovate, be it products or be it services. While mapping out the customer journey, we've always found claims actually is the key moment of growth and really defines the customer experience. Hey, we are in the business of paying claims, and ensuring that that's a seamless experience is something we strive for. In early 2019, we received a lot of feedback from customers during a customer survey we conducted that was it really possible to make the claims experience more efficient, much faster, so that they can get their vehicles back quicker as soon as possible. Now, that was great feedback. And just about that time, we were embarking on a journey which was to win with digital. Liberty has always been about digital and how we can use digital to win in the marketplace. That's when we said, hey, is there an opportunity to marry some of the feedback and see if we can get some initiatives started to really deliver that experience to the customer? And that's how this whole initiative started, to see how we could make the claims experience more efficient, improve the turnaround times, both for the customer and the workshop. And from a timing perspective, it actually worked out pretty okay because we launched this tool just about the time when Malaysia was going into lockdown in 2020, when social distancing had become the new norm. So while we were able to enhance the customer experience, we were also able to put one of Liberty's core values into motion, which was putting people first through safer means of conducting business. So it actually essentially came out pretty well at the end of the day.
Pasha, how does your virtual appraisal tool work and what benefits can it give to your customers?
Oh, it's actually pretty simple and really hassle-free is what I love about this, Simon. The digital tool is really integrated with eClaims and core system and includes interactive digital features such as video calls, video surveys, live chats, geolocation that really enables our examiners on the Liberty side to remotely interact either with the customer, the technical folks, or the workshops. Essentially, how this works is that on notification of a claim, it will be registered in the Liberty digital platform. That's when our examiners really get into the act. That's where the cool stuff starts. So they're able to contact the customer on their mobile number, send a link for a video chat, and probably interact with them, ask questions on the accident, how it happened, take photos, take relevant videos. And once all of this is completed, the examiners will assess the damages, evaluate the claim amount, and approve the claim in the system. Boom. That's how easy it is. It's actually really cool how all of this comes together. And we've got really good feedback from the customers. We've seen appraisal times reduced from 2 hours to less than 30 minutes. Approval times, which normally would take 2 days because we would rely on external examiners. And now we have internal examiners, have actually reduced from 2 days to less than 30 minutes. And all of this is pretty reflective in the Net Promoter Score, which went up by nearly 4% once we launched this initiative. So it's been great to see the response.
Pasha, you plan to leverage on the same technology and principle by launching Liberty Express Claims soon. Can you tell us a little bit more about this?
Simon, we've been a firm believer in the philosophy of building once and deploying many times. And it was actually with that in mind that the virtual tool, which was actually initially developed for motor, we first extended to non-motor claims for our homeowners and for our business partners. And early this year, 2021, we had the unfortunate incident of floods in Johor and East Coast. And we were able to get into action and use the tool pretty effectively. Examiners or loss adjusters could not make it to the sites because of the floods. And what we were essentially able to do is use this tool, assess the damage, pay off the claim, which would normally take nearly 5 days to less than 48 hours. And this helped in minimizing at least disruption, the personal life and business operations of our customers, and for us to deliver on our promise of being there when they needed us the most. Now, what we've also done is we've used the same technology in principle and extended it to express claims, is what we call it, which is essentially directly interacting with the customer. This service actually aims to provide the customer with a quick settlement solution for minor damages with the smartphone, and maybe 3 documents. A quick appraisal can be done and payments made really instantaneously for customers to proceed to their choice of repair. So they don't even have to go to our choice of workshop. We can literally transfer the money into the bank account. They can choose the repairer they want to go to, giving them more freedom in their choice. And how we're encouraging this right now is to avail of our auto assist services and our call centers. When the customer interacts with each one of these touch points is where we are advising them to leverage this technology.
Pasha, what are some of your thoughts about winning the Claims Initiative of the Year award for Malaysia?
Simon, I've already shared a lot of my thoughts, but as I mentioned, right, we're really excited with the results we've seen for all the stakeholders in the ecosystem. The customer, in terms of a quicker turnaround, partner workshops have actually got more efficiency in their cash flow, so they can get their payments much faster to them. And from a Liberty standpoint, we've been able to improve on our productivity and reduce our expenses. So in short, it's been a win-win for everyone, really. What's been really great to see, actually, more critically, what's been great to see is the shift in mindset and behavior of both the workshops and the customers in an industry which essentially has been pretty traditional in nature, right? So I'm hoping that this would be the catalyst for the industry to follow. And we are able to drive change as an industry, which will benefit all the stakeholders, especially the customers.
Puneet Pasricha, Chief Executive Officer of Liberty Insurance Malaysia, thank you so much for joining us today. And once again, congratulations on winning the award.
Thanks, Simon.